One voice, brawling enough.
I've money on my brain, thought what you're saying. Ice and chains, fly out of plane. I've money on my brain, crypto, all you're saying. Talk out with the cool, man, I swear to the lane. Ice on my neck, that shine like a gem. If you don't talk money, man, I know what you're saying. It kinda hot, just body stocks. Dance with the 100, what I never gas. I went out the hood, not out the app. Full up be a cheddar. Every day that we have my money.
What's up, guys? Welcome back. Malik here, and sorry about yesterday. I was really exhausted. I came home, basically fell asleep, and then I had to do a podcast, and then I just fell asleep early after that again. So I'll be documenting my trades from yesterday and also my trades from today. So you can see yesterday what did I have? Yesterday from this is May 6th. Okay. So May 7th, which is yesterday, which is Tuesday, I only had one trade from 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. Got stopped out at break even. Didn't make any more trades. Today I had two trades, two losses, and then a break even trade. So I'll be showing you that. I'm trying to move my stops to break even. That way that if price continues to run, I'm able to capitalize on that. So let's get into it. It's something new. On one account, I actually closed out the trade, took profits today, and then on the other, I decided to move it to break even to see what it would have done. So let's just document those now. So let's get into the first trade, which is this May 7th that actually closed break even. I entered at 7 a.m. and got stopped out at 9 a.m. and got stopped out at 10 a.m. And that was a long position. Well, that's the trend. So at 9 here, wow. So you can see I was in profits for a little amount of time. Like the entry was good, could have closed it out for profits, but at the same time I wanted to see what it would be like if I actually let it come back to break even. I have to set this a little differently because it's just going to show a line if there's no difference between where you entered and where you exited. So you can see it's a small difference. However, where I got stopped out was on the 10 candle. So this is May 7th. So I entered at 9 here and I got stopped out here. Price actually went up. It could have been that price actually went down before up. I'm not even sure. But after this, I didn't make any more trades on the day. Total loss on yesterday on this portfolio was 21 cents. Moving on, the next trade now, I can actually remove this. I entered at 10 p.m. yesterday. And let's find that. That would be 22 yesterday. So right here. And I entered at this one 18,095.45. I got stopped out at 18,066.8. Total loss of 2019. See if this works out. Yeah. So it's showing you that I got stopped out at 7 here. And this broken line is actually showing you at what point I got stopped out. Looking at it, I could have probably flipped it. I could have flipped it and be able to take this move to the downside. I would have to close it out exactly at 9, which wouldn't be a bad trade either. And then I could have seen a bullish move here on the 9 o'clock candle. Looking at the next trade. Looking at the next trade here. You can see I stuck to the trend, so I was bullish. And then on the 7 o'clock candle, I re-entered for a bullish move. I don't like entering at 7. I think 9, 10, 11 thereabout is better, but I entered at 7 because I was actually in a group and somebody, I just hate paying attention to people's analysis and then being wrong from it. Really hurts. So somebody mentioned that they were bullish there. I'm not even sure where their stops was at, so bad trade on my part. When I entered bullish here, I got stopped out here on the 814. You can see this is the 8 o'clock candle, total loss of 24.20. And then I entered on the 9 o'clock candle. So 9 actually had a big push. So I entered on this candle and closed it out at 1. Oh, I got stopped out at 1 a.m. when price actually came back, hit me out at stop loss for a total loss of 96 cents. So I entered here at 18.41, but price didn't move very much higher. So it's like, it's not really a big deal for me. So I'm entered at 18.041, got stopped out at 18.040.05. And something to note is that you can still lose more than your stop loss in terms of fees, swaps, if we had swaps, and also just slippage, really. So I entered here. Where did I get started? On this one candle that actually came and whipped me out. That one, it's like it came for my stop loss personally. It came right down for my stop loss before coming back up, where I would have been able to take some profits at 3 if I had held it, but I would have to be right on time here. Moving on, so we're going to look at my watch list stocks now. So this is the watch list that I document all of the days of the price movements on these instruments because I like to have a good handle of them. And while paying attention, you can actually see more into what's going on than that daily movement. So Bitcoin, we have Bitcoin moving a little lower. Tesla actually coming below this 200 EMA, lower, $10 lower than 2 days ago, so at 174. IMMR is that similar. IMMR is actually continuing its uptrend. Wow, it's like somebody knows something. Big farms, I would expect lower. Yep, Big farms is lower with no interest. It's just almost destitute, just going lower and lower and lower. NVIDIA, I would expect it a little higher. NVIDIA is still holding up, slightly lower, but still on that higher end because people know that you have earnings within a couple weeks, and selling off NVIDIA would not be the best choice. At least if you want to participate at least. AMD, we have AMD within this range at 153. SMCI, we have SMCI still in that higher range, so it's playing similar to NVIDIA, still in that higher range, and I think we should really pay attention to them. So what would I say? Bitcoin, bearish. Tesla, bearish. IMMR, bullish. Big farms, bearish. Chips, waiting on NVIDIA. Earnings, it looks like. AMD range, SMCI looks like NVIDIA. And that's all I have to say about today. NASDAQ, what are we looking for? Overall, for sure, we are bullish, I would say. We are bullish. I would say we are bullish overall. Well, it actually came and tested these fibs. So we are bullish. And I would probably look for new highs at 18,407. That would be really good. So let's probably target that and see See where the market is gonna go, but I'm not fairly the most confident right now as it relates to trading this. So I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Bye bye.